We have got some beautiful price predictions for Shiba Inu Coin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market, and we're going to be talking about Shib in this video today because, as you can see the headline on the screen, expert says 100% Shiba Inu Coin price explosion is imminent, and here's where to place your entries. Now, I do hope that you've been accumulating over the period, really over the last couple of years during this bear market, but if you haven't been doing so recently, guys, we could be on the brink of a major run. We've got so many positive catalysts, and I believe that they're all culminating at the same time, which could lead to a very nice breakout. So we're going to break down the price action. We're going to break down those catalysts. We're going to be talking about this, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be talking about a 100% price increase coming up for Shiba Inu Coin here, but I also want to show you, look at the price action on Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin has been doing a great job over the last couple of months, bouncing off those lows on September 6th, September 7th here, around $52,000. And it has done nothing but hit higher highs and higher lows. But we're testing major resistance. Guys, if you scroll back, right, and you got to make this chart a little bit easier to see, we might go weekly graph. You can see that Bitcoin has tested 70, tested 70. Tested, and testing again. It has been rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. And if Bitcoin breaks through this line right here, let's make it a little bit red. You know what? Let's make it danger. Yeah, let's make it red, and let's make it. If it breaks through this line right here, the entire cryptocurrency market is going to rally. Bitcoin is going to be hitting all-time highs, potentially ahead of the largest U.S. election to ever grace this country. It is going to be hitting an all-time high ahead of further interest rate cuts. And it could be hitting an all-time high ahead of $8+ billion in FTX bankruptcy funds flowing back into the hands of cryptocurrency investors who are going to be excited about the price action. And if that happens, guys, it will absolutely translate into price action for Shiba Inu Coin and other meme coins alike. So let's go ahead and let's see what these analysts and these experts are saying about the price of Shib. It says, the anticipation around Shiba Inu Coin's price is reaching a fever pitch as the meme coin nears a breakout. Top analyst has warned of a massive surge in the price of Shiba Inu Coin with a potential 100% price explosion deemed imminent. The current prices could be the cheapest Shiba Inu Coin will ever be as the bull market's final phase nears kicking off. On October 8th, Shib's price traded around $1,700, representing a 1% increase. The asset was down 8.5% last week after hitting a strong price of around $1,924, and nevertheless, Shiba Inu Coin's price analysis remains bullish as investors are eyeing 100% gains in the coming days. Top trader, you guys know who he is, suggested that time was running out before Shiba Inu Coin breaks out. Shiba Inu Coin's price chart shows an inverted head and shoulders, or H&S pattern, and a bullish reversal market structure. This neckline is around the recent local high at about 1,900 points per coin. Above this point, Shiba Inu Coin price could surge as much as 100%, returning to yearly highs before retesting previous all-time highs. Now, guys, of course, if we break out and we hit that 2,100 point per coin mark, and we finally break that, we saw a test that I believe back in September. If we break that, we could be, there are a few levels of resistance in between here and there, but we could be testing that major line at 3,500 points. Now, back in March, we wicked up above and came right back down. But we have got a much different market situation right now than we did back in March. The U.S. election catalyst right around the corner. November 5th is going to be here faster than you guys know. You've got interest rate decisions coming up. And if they continue to cut the interest rate here in the US, we are going to see an inflow into riskier assets and an outflow from those safer assets. Because of course people can't earn as much if they remain in those safe assets. They have to go where the money grows. And finally, the FTX returning of $8 billion to cryptocurrency investors. If that happens at a time when people are excited, if that happens at a time when people are willing to invest, if that happens during a risk-on situation instead of a risk-off situation, we could likely see all $8 billion flow back into the crypto space. Now, imagine what happens when you see $1 million inflow into a cryptocurrency like Shiba Inu Coin. Imagine what would happen if you saw $1 billion inflow into a crypto token like Shiba Inu Coin. We've got so much good news on the horizon, and we are still sitting in very green, very, confident, greedy situations right now, which means that investors are excited about the price action. Investors are excited about what's happening right now. You can see on the coin market cap fear and greed index, we're sitting at a level of 54. And if the coin stats fear and greed index would ever load here, you'd see where we're sitting at a level of 64, deep into the green. But we have so much more room to run because you don't even get into an extremely greedy situation until you're touching level 70 plus. Guys, I am so excited about this upcoming bull market rally. I think that we truly could be right here on the cusp, right here, the moment before it ticks up and the moment before it rips up. You simply have to decide. Have you been accumulating for the last couple of years? If not, now might be the time. And if you're looking to accumulate at an exceeding rate, right, you could use leverage. It is dangerous. I don't necessarily like using leverage. But if you want a centralized exchange here in the United States that has the best selection of meme coins and allows you to use leverage, you've got a link down in the description below for the KSX exchange. You can get a 370 USDT bonus simply for filling out the tasks as long as you use that affiliate link down there. And then, of course, you click on markets. I'm going to show you just how many tokens they have. I like meme coins, but of course you can go base network, TON network, layer 2, AI, Tron, layer 1, BRC. You've got your selection, right? Shiba Inu Coin, Pepe, Whiff, Popcat, Bonk, Floki. You've got the big names out there, but you've got some of the smaller names as well. Mew, Mog, Goat is even available. Goat's been crazy volatile over the last couple of days here. Turbo, GigaChad. GigaChad pulled back all the way to 4 cents, and it's already back up to 5.5 cents. Think about that, guys. You had a 30% increase. If you were on 3x leverage, you would have doubled your money just over the last 24 to 48 hours. You've got Dogs Coin, Apu. Of course, Dogecoin is on here. Moodang. I know a lot of people like Moodang, but these political tokens are on fire right now. And check this out, man. You can come out here on these political tokens, and you can grab up to 20x leverage. Now, if you're into Shiba Inu Coin and you only like the big memes, that is absolutely okay because you can also trade Shiba Inu Coin, Pepe, Dogecoin, all of it on leverage, and you can actually go a little bit better, all the way up to 100x leverage, which is very dangerous. Please understand that 100x leverage means if Shib's price goes down 1%, you bust your margin trade, right? They're going to close your trade out. If you go 100x leverage and it moves up 1%, you've doubled your money. So it's more of a scalping situation, but you guys are smart enough, you're adults, understand the risks, understand the rewards, make your own decisions, and let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. Now, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.